Recording.
Good morning, everyone. I've decided this morning to take the old Honda CRF 250L out for a little ride. So here we go. I really enjoy these days getting to get out so far and make a few videos, having a good time. My oldest son, Michael, is going to be possibly sending me some GoPros that I may be able to use to make some more videos. That will definitely be enjoying, but it's going to be a learning curve also, because I have to figure out how to use them. Yeah, all that editing and stuff there that I've never done will definitely be a challenge for me. I'm going to head down here to one of the little gravel roads. Kind of go up and down a few of those roads and see a little bit of the wooded area down here close to Bagnell Dam. Yesterday, as I was saying, I really enjoy watching different people's videos and learning, what they're doing, how they're doing it, so that I can do the same. I would love to be able to do that. Making that content for you folks to look at and enjoy. Actually, I had to put my gloves on this morning. A little cool at 40 degrees. Yesterday I got out and rode my XR 650L. You may have seen that on the previous video. I was being a little wild on that one. I love those big thumper bikes. I would love to, at some point here in my life, be able to grab an African Twin and or a Harley-Davidson Pan America, because I think they are awesome machines. Okay, here we are. We are on this gravel road. There's no real number on this road as far as location. And I'm currently, I guess you'd call this Eldon, Missouri, technically. And I don't know how they aligned it, because I'll be honest with you, I'm 17 miles from Eldon. And I'm only 3 or 4 miles from Lake of the Ozarks and Bagnell Dam. It's crazy how they do that. But anyway, I'm going to kind of take this little gravel road. I'll end up over in Rocky Mount, Missouri. This is the stuff that I used to enjoy doing when I was early teenager. Actually 12, 13 years old. I had a 1974 Suzuki TS 100. I rode all day long, every day on the weekends when I got to the lake area up close to Warsaw, Missouri, a little place called Woodland Shores. Some of you may know where that's at. But man, I really enjoyed those adventures riding every day. I had no idea that that would kind of plan out my future experience of getting to enjoy bikes. You'll get to see the lake here in different areas as I kind of ride along. Uh, like I said, this is back roads around the lake, and it's something I've always enjoyed. So I'm just going to kind of take my time. I'm not going to get in no big rush. Just going to enjoy the view. This little road I'm going on has its own little point. Goes back into the tree line where it starts. And you'll get to see a couple little bridges, concrete old bridges. One is one that I'm coming up on now, as you can see here ahead of me. Sometimes you wonder if they're holed up under a vehicle, but they do. Just amazing. Got a little campground back here that people can come down and kind of enjoy this little area and get on the dock and go out and enjoy their day boating. If you're watching this, Frank Woodsman Outdoors Adventure, I just thought I'd take out the old 250L today and enjoy it, because you posted a couple videos the other day of time in the past with your 250L. I know you loved it. Great bike. I know you're on that 300L now, and I know you really enjoy it as well. I love to have multiple bikes in my garage. Here's another one of those little concrete bridges, as you can see. But I love to have multiple bikes you can choose from and enjoy your riding on. They all have their place, areas they're good at. I know the CRF 250L isn't really an off-road kind of crazy bike, but I have definitely taken this one to some areas that a lot of guys wouldn't ride their bike. I've been down to Finger Lakes there in Columbia and have done a little off-roading there with my boys. They were riding their big 4-stroke race bikes and their 2-stroke trail bikes. Hey, and I took this bike everywhere they went and enjoyed it the same. All right, we're getting ready to get on a W20 here. I believe this is actually considered Rocky Mountain area now, Rocky Mountain, Missouri. This little blacktop will take me up a little stretch to another spot of a gravel road. A lot of guys call those gravel roads adventure riding. And when you're taking big bikes, big off-road adventure bikes, gravel roads probably are an adventure. But to me, an adventure is taking that bike and getting off in the trails, single track, riding hard, having fun. And there's a few guys out there that do it. And I tell you what, that's just awesome to see. Coming up on one of the local boat repair shops, Advanced Marine. All right, now we're going to get over here on